Well, hello everybody, welcome back. Today I want to show you these. These are storage bags that go on the roll bar of my Jeep. They were sent to me for a review, and I'm going to show you all about them. All right, so here, first of all, let me show you how to install them. You start with this one first, okay? All right. To do that, I had to put my rear seat down. But once it's on, my rear seat works just fine. So tighten it up, okay? Very easy. And then you do the next one. All right. So there's one there. Pull that to tighten it up. Down there. There were two of them here that I did not need for my particular roll bar, okay? And then, now, there's one for the left side, there's one for the right side. Okay, so when you're looking at it from the front, you have a pocket right there that I keep this in. You have another pocket there. This opens up, and you actually have, I can't show you, but there's actually two pockets in here. So if you need to separate something, there is a Velcro panel in there that'll separate it. All right. Little hook there. You have another pocket there. You have this netting pocket. You got a place for your tools. This here I have my tripod attached to, but you can put a roll on there, shovel, what have you. You have more pockets down here. This pocket right here, I keep my electronics in. Okay, again, lots and lots of room here. And you have two of them. Plenty of room. There you go. Storage bags for your roll bars on your Jeep. Take a look at them.